Hello, my friends. This is a microwave. No, actually, this is a microwave. Oh. That is a microwave. Microwaves are levels of radiation. It goes from not that radioactive to you're dead. Microwaves are a type of radiation. They are a non-ionizing radiation, so that basically means a radiation that can't kill you. And there's ionizing radiation, which basically means radiation, you're dead. And X-rays, you can only take them once a year because they mess you up. And if you take them multiple times a year, you're gonna be coming to the party looking like this. Your regular microwave might be around 300 mHz, MHz, or 300 GHz. I don't know why I said S. So that is pretty much a microwave. And if you want to learn about more radiation, watch this video. I'll put the link in the comments or the description.
I don't know why mathematicians and physicists.
A lot of oil.
Oh no, why am I watching this video? I should get back to my own video. So, let me tell you some cool stuff about the other types of rays. X-rays are used in X-rays. Some animals see with ultraviolet light. Radio waves are in radios, pretty obvious. And gamma rays are gonna kill you. And visible light and infrared, I'm not gonna say anything about those, cause by the names, you should probably know what they are. Now let's say bye.